Imagine it's the morning of February 1st, 2026. You check your phone. You rub your eyes. You check it again. It's not a glitch. In the span of 4 hours, the safest asset in human history, gold, has just erased 6 months of gains. The charts look like a cliff. The forums are screaming. And the strangest part? There was no war declaration, no pandemic, no aliens. So why did the safe haven suddenly become a trapdoor? If you want to understand the invisible gears that move your money, subscribe and hit the bell. Welcome to Stillframe Stories. Let's dismantle the crash of 26. To understand the crash, we have to look at the climb. Throughout 2025, gold was unstoppable. Geopolitical tension was the fuel. Tariffs, trade wars, rumors of conflict. Every time the news got scary, people bought yellow metal. By January 2026, gold hit an all-time high, nearly $5,600 an ounce. It felt invincible. It felt like the only lifeboat in a burning ocean. But in finance, when everyone is on the same side of the boat flips. The first domino fell in Washington. The Federal Reserve needed a new chair. The markets were praying for a dove, someone who would lower interest rates and print money. Instead, on January 30th, the nomination went to Kevin Warsh, the hawk. Warsh is known for one thing: he hates inflation. He doesn't care if the stock market cries. He will keep interest rates high to save the dollar. Suddenly, holding gold, which pays you 0 interest, became expensive. Why hold a rock when a dollar savings account pays you 6% risk-free? But a nomination alone doesn't cause a 12% crash in a day. For that, you need leverage. See, thousands of traders weren't just buying gold with their own money. They were borrowing money to buy gold. When the price dipped slightly on the Warsh news, the CME Group, the referee of the market, stepped in. They raised margin requirements. Basically, they told traders, put up more cash or we sell your gold. Most traders didn't have the cash, so the system sold their gold automatically. Selling drove the price down, which triggered more margin calls, which forced more selling. Let's zoom in to a guy we'll call Dave. Dave is 28. He put his life savings into gold futures in December, thinking it was safe. On February 1st, he was asleep. While he dreamt, an algorithm in Chicago liquidated his entire portfolio. He woke up with nothing but a notification. This wasn't a market for humans. It was a machine-to-machine massacre. The safe haven burned him faster than a risky crypto coin ever did. Here is the uncomfortable truth of early 2026. The dollar struck back. For years, people bet against the US dollar. They said it was dying. But with a hawk at the Fed and the US economy running hot on AI productivity, the dollar became the king again. Foreign central banks who were buying gold to hide from the dollar suddenly paused. They realized they needed dollars to buy American AI chips. The liquidity shifted from rocks to silicon. So was gold a lie? No, but safety is a relative term. When the rules of money change, like interest rates and margin limits, even the oldest asset in the world has to obey the laws of gravity. The crash of 26 wasn't a conspiracy. It was a reminder. Nothing goes up in a straight line forever, not even history. What's in your portfolio? Rocks or paper? Let me know in the comments. I'm the narrator. This is Stillframe Stories. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next frame.